Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to your images using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this simple trick can instantly give your images a polished professional look. Let's dive in. First, open Canva and choose a design you want to work on, or upload a new image if you're starting from scratch. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it. This will highlight your image and bring up all the editing options you need. Next, head to the top menu and click the Edit button. This opens a suite of enhancements and adjustments. From here, click on Shadows. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several shadow styles to choose from, each offering a different look: glow, drop, outline, curved, lift, and angled. Take a moment to hover over each one to preview how it changes your image. For today's example, we'll go with drop since it's versatile and widely used to add depth and make your image pop. Once you select drop, your shadow will appear instantly. But we're not done yet. You can further refine it by adjusting the transparency, blur, and offset. Play around with these settings until your shadow looks just right. For an extra touch, try the backdrop feature inside the shadow menu. Backdrops add another layer of depth, giving your image a subtle, realistic lift. Click it on and adjust the settings to fit your design perfectly. Finally, when you're happy with your shadow effect, click Download at the top right to save your image. And just like that, you've added a stylish, professional touch to your image using Canva. Feel free to experiment with different shadow styles and settings to match your creative vision. Thanks for watching and happy designing.